Fingerlight trees from Holiday Bright Lights are lit with our premium LED light sets that last for over 20,000 hours of use and have continuous on technology, so if a bulb happens to go out, the rest will stay lit. However, if something were to happen to cause a whole section to go out, let's say a cord gets damaged in storage, we have come out with a replacement set so that you can easily relight that section. The Fingerlight replacement set comes with the light set, a power splitter, and easily connects to the coax cables that are used to distribute power through the tree. We recommend wearing gloves and a long sleeve shirt when replacing the lights. Identify the unlit branch and the coax cable connection that is nearest to that branch. The coax cables in the tree are tightly secured with zip ties. Unplug the tree before carefully cutting the zip ties to free the coax cable connection point, making sure not to cut any wires. Unplug the coax cables. This will cause a few branches of the lights to go out because multiple branches are powered by the same cable. Plug the splitter into the cords that you just disconnected so that power can still flow as it did before. You now have an additional plug to use for the replacement light set. Plug the replacement light set into the additional plug that is now available from the splitter. Plug the tree back in to make sure the replacement lights and all of the other branches turn back on. You'll notice that the replacement lights now sync and have all of the same color options and functionality as the rest of the lights on the tree. If you'd like, you can remove the lights that aren't functioning properly, or simply leave them on the branch and add the replacement light sets to the same branch. Now weave the replacement lights into the unlit branch and adjust to make sure it's evenly covered.